What's up, guys? So let's talk about UPI integration with Employee Provident Fund. Yes, it has been made. It has been phased out. Like it has a letter has been passed on by the government for to the NPCI, who is handling all the UPI payments all across India, to integrate this and consider this. And by May or June, whatever claims out there have been made by people, it will be done through UPI. So basically, they just have to they'll be able to access the Provident Fund balances. They'll be able to make claims through UPI through their Provident Fund balance account, and at the same time, they can withdraw up to 1 lakh rupees from there. And most importantly, it's going to take a lot lesser for the approval process. So yes, if they have any marriage claims, any educational claims, any job loss claims, or any other emergency claims types, which is considered in the partial claim category, and or if they have some permanent claims, like for example, or a full claim for retirement or something, that also can be made via UPI if they have enough funds and all that in the account. Based on that, it will be checked. And at the same time, now you don't have to go through the Provident Fund website, EPFO website, and get the approval process done, which takes about weeks and all for the entire thing, a background check. It will just since your UPI is connected to your Aadhaar and all, everything will be checked out, and from there your history will be checked, and therefore you'll be at a benefit, because it will mainly take 3 days time. So hope this phases out well, and if you found this real useful, please do like and share. Okay, bye guys.